Welcome back in Sant'Agata Bolognese. It's been several weeks since my last time here, but I haven't forgot about my good old Lambos. Oh my, what a spec on this Technica! That was the perfect start, right? Hey, Urus SE. Okay, pretty simple one. Wait a moment, I think I hear another Lambo. Oh wow! Temerario safety car. Wait, what? Was that Mitja Borkert driving the AMG GT? He's the head designer of Lamborghini. Oh my god, so cool. This looks like a black Urus SE. Ooh, with yellow details. And also the matching calipers, very cool. Hey yo, green Temerario! Alright, you already know I really appreciate both specs on Lambos. Now we should have another Temerario with the black roof, okay? Oh, alright, that's because it's full black, right? Hold up, is that an Urus combo? Here, Urus SE at the front, it's a grey one, grigio terrestre in fact, very cool, with the orange calipers. And then another Urus here, full black with the red calipers, alright. Let's go, Revuelto! And that is a beautiful spec! Wow! What a great shade of blue! Huge tractor here! And then a smaller tractor, an hybrid one! Now guys, that to me looks like an uncamouflaged Temerario and also a very beautiful one. Yep, I can absolutely confirm. What the hell is going on? I mean, not that I really care, because I can take a closer look at this beautiful paint job. This is super classy, I love it. Ah, okay, there it goes, finally. No, it turned on the lights for me. I love it. What a G! Ah, the black Urus with yellow details. Watch out for another hybrid V12! Alright, probably not my favorite spec. Full white Urus SE. Hey, can you spot the grey Temerario? There it is! Oh, I hadn't noticed the Verde Scandal calipers at first. Very nice touch. Let's go, it's white Revuelto time. With the optional black engine cover, pretty cool. Hey, another Temerario. Oh wow, talking about classy specs, am I right? Hey, grigio teleste Urus SE, very cool! Hold up, another uncamouflaged Temerario! Oh yes, great sound and amazing spec! That is another Urus SE! Hey! Guys, kinda sad news for you all. It started raining out of nowhere. Fuck! But hey, this doesn't mean we are giving up on the car spotting. Yet. There is such a cool shade of blue on the Urus SE. Oh, take a listen! Wow! Oh, wait! The white Revuelto for the combo! Let's go! Hey, that is an interesting spec! Oh wow, purple Urus SE! With, I think, red calipers, yeah. Interesting choice. Wait, is that the same Urus SE from before? not really sure, I have to double check the footage. Holy, that is an interesting spec for a Revuelto if I've ever seen one. Orange Lambo incoming! Alright, still fairly basic Temerario. Wait for it, another Temerario! Very deep blue, oh I like it. Bear with me for a second cause there's another one incoming. Hey, unexpected friendly driver and the white Temerario, alright. Very basic one. Ah, wait a minute, didn't we just see Urus SE with the same exact spec? Yeah, I think so. Friendly test driver and interesting spec to be honest. Oh, no way, Urus combo! What a lovely color this is! Should have a Urus, it's the purple one. Guess who's back? Is the Verde Selva's Temerario. That's a beautiful spec!